For decades, pharmaceutical manufacturing has been strictly defined by rigid physical constraints, isolated machines executing localized commands on the factory floor. Driving this enterprise-wide transformation is the mandate of the Chief Digital Officer. This role involves a strategic realignment of production data to drive business outcomes, extending the scope of the project far beyond routine software procurement. Historically, pharmaceutical companies have maintained a strict separation between corporate IT departments and the operational technology, or OT, running on the shop floor. When IT and OT remain disconnected, they create data silos. This lack of integration blocks strategic goals like yield optimization and predictive maintenance. This radar chart maps a digital maturity assessment of a manufacturing site. As the baseline expands toward the target state, it exposes current capability gaps across automation, system integration, data analytics, and workplace culture. The CDO's mandate is to close those gaps, architecting a unified environment where physical manufacturing hardware and digital data systems operate as a single entity. Building that entity starts at the edge, where physical manufacturing data is generated. This blueprint illustrates the operational technology layer. SCADA and IoT sensors capture real-time equipment data. Above sits the IT layer, the manufacturing execution system, flanked by LIMS and QMS. Continuous data pathways connect the sensors directly through the MES, establishing an unbroken feedback loop. The MES serves as the execution bridge. It controls electronic batch records and enforces manufacturing workflows directly on the shop floor. Simultaneously, LIMS and QMS integrate with the MES to feed quality control parameters into the execution flow. This live, vertical data flow provides the necessary inputs for generating accurate digital twins of physical assets. Advanced analytics and artificial intelligence rely on the structured data provided by this layered IT and OT integration. In a highly regulated pharmaceutical environment, this architecture requires a concept called compliance by design. Regulatory rules, data integrity, and cybersecurity cannot be added post-implementation. This compliance gate represents GXP validation and cybersecurity built in from the start. Automated audit trails secure every piece of data moving to the enterprise layer. Failing to architect compliance from day one results in systemic validation failures, rendering the technology stack useless for GXP operations. However, technology stacks frequently fail to deliver value due to the lack of an aligned human operating model. Legacy operations suffer from siloed priorities. IT, OT, quality, and engineering teams each pursue distinct objectives that often overlap or conflict. Collaboration must be formalized through governance structures. This RACI matrix defines who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. It clarifies specific roles. A process owner ensures shop floor adoption, while a data steward maintains data quality. A central transformation management office enforces these decision rights and manages escalation routes across corporate, regional, and site levels. This governance also manages the friction of applying agile delivery methods within an environment that demands strict GMP validation and compliance documentation. The operating model is the mechanism that translates software capabilities into actual shop floor adoption and sustained behavior change. When multiple factory systems launch simultaneously, they generate disparate site outputs. These uncoordinated streams must be unified into a single, standardized core. Systems like ERP, MES, and LIMS generate a massive volume and variety of data across multiple manufacturing sites. These fragmented data silos are resolved through master data governance. Recipes, batches, and equipment identifiers often vary by site. Passing these through API middleware standardizes the data into uniform components within a central data lake. This technical interoperability allows different systems to exchange data effectively, enabling manufacturing sites to accurately compare key performance indicators. Furthermore, data becomes AI-ready only when it is highly contextualized and accessible. Predictive maintenance and yield optimization require this level of data quality. Without rigorous master data interoperability, enterprise analytics fail, leaving sites operating as highly automated but isolated digital islands. This isolation leads to the pilot trap, a high failure rate for digital manufacturing initiatives attempting to move beyond Phase 1. Scale-up failures are typically caused by hyper-customized local designs, manual governance, and a lack of standard playbooks. A global rollout strategy requires replication. On the left is a single pilot factory. On the right, a global playbook duplicates that exact architecture across a multi-site map. Enterprise impact is tracked, pulling metrics for equipment effectiveness, cost reduction, and compliance from every site. To manage this rollout, organizations use stage-gate investment models. These enforce a rigorous review of total cost of ownership and return on investment before funding subsequent phases. A pilot project's isolated success holds no strategic value if it cannot be converted into a repeatable, value-generating model across the entire enterprise. Smart manufacturing functions as an interconnected system of distinct operational pillars. These core modules synthesize into a final deliverable. The tech stack, operating model, data platform, and scaling playbook merge into a single cohesive document, the Enterprise Transformation Blueprint. The true measure of this blueprint is its direct, provable alignment with EBITDA, working capital efficiency, and compliance risk reduction. In a highly regulated, dynamic healthcare landscape, competitive dominance belongs to organizations that can architect, govern, and globally scale this integrated digital ecosystem.